Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. Happy Saturday, everybody. Guys, I'm still out cleaning the porch, but I was decorating my boxes, so I just wanted to do a quick pre-recorded video. I do not get good service on my porch, so I am just doing a quick pre-recorded video. If you guys made your box that like John and I did together, I hung my flower on there. That's what I decided to hang on my nail, was my flower. I didn't do a sign. I'm hanging my flowers that we made from the Dollar Tree eggs. And I just want to show you how I'm doing my box. I bought these daisies at Hobby Lobby. They were on sale for $10, but it's a really big bush for $10. So I want to mix yellow and white. So here's what I'm just doing. I'm just filling my box with daisies. And then I bought a filler I'm going to show you that I thought went well with them. I hope you all made a box or gonna make a box. I have styrofoam in there. Those green styrofoam blocks I have in there. Now you can put as many or as little flowers as you guys want in there. I am just using 4 of these, 2 yellow, 2 white. It's a really big bush for $10. Okay. Okay. Now, when I was walking around the store with the daisies, I thought I might need something to fill. So look at these I found. See these? These are regular 6 on sale for $3 this week. Now next week the flowers won't be on sale. You have to wait another week. But I am going to fill the front with these. It's like my filler. And I bought just enough to do my 2 boxes. I'm using 4 of these in here. Last year I did sunflowers. This year I'm doing daisies. I changed. See. Okay, there's my box, guys. How cute is it? Isn't it cute? I hope you guys make a box. And I hope you do a flower. I will put the pattern for the petal and the leaf as soon as I get my blog done. Maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. Okay, thanks for joining me. And I'm sorry I'm like a hot mess, but I'm out here cleaning. I'll talk to you all later. Thanks. Bye.